Heavy snowfall at Bucharest's Henri Coandă International Airport, Otopeni, has caused significant flight disruptions on various routes, resulting in the cancellation and diversion of domestic and international flights. Airport authorities said winter weather conditions, including snow accumulation and low visibility, have affected runway operations, causing delays as crews work to clear the surface and ensure the safe movement of aircraft. Some flights to Bucharest were diverted to alternative airports, while others were cancelled entirely due to safety concerns. Airlines serving Otopeni adjusted their schedules throughout the day, issuing notices to affected passengers and offering rebooking or refund options where applicable. Travelers are advised to check their flight status before heading to the airport, as departure and arrival times are subject to change. Ground handling teams and snow removal crews are operating around the clock to restore normal operations, with the winter weather expected to continue into the evening. Airport management has acknowledged the inconvenience and stated that safety remains a top priority amid ongoing recovery efforts. Passengers traveling to or from Bucharest are advised to stay in contact with their airlines, arrive early for screening, and be prepared for potential delays due to changing weather conditions. Romanian capital, Bucharest, and its surrounding region, Ilfov County, are among the worst affected areas, with up to 50 centimeters of snow expected. Romania's National Meteorological Agency has issued a red alert for heavy snowfall in Bucharest and Ilfov County, reporting that 30 to 35 cm of snow has fallen. Emergency services have carried out more than 100 operations to clear fallen trees and loose building elements, which damaged around 40 vehicles. Heavy snowfall and strong winds disrupted road, rail, and air traffic in southern Romania, with delays reported in Bucharest and flights diverted from the capital's airport. Roads and paths were covered in snow in southern Romania on Wednesday after heavy snowfall, and strong winds hit the region, disrupting traffic, air, and rail services. In the capital, Bucharest, commuters faced delays as snow-covered paths and roads disrupted services, while drivers struggled to free their vehicles trapped in the snow. Parts of highway were also closed in the south of the country. Several trains were cancelled, and Bucharest Airport announced that some planes were being diverted to other airports. Black Sea ports were also closed due to the bad weather.
તો જો આવા નવા તમારે અમારા વિડીયો જોવો હોય તો પ્લીઝ અમારી આઈડીને ફોલો કરી લેજો અને તમને આ વિડીયો ગમ્યો હોય તો પ્લીઝ કમેન્ટ કરી દેજો.
A heavy snowstorm hit southern and eastern Romania, disrupting transportation across the country and triggering an emergency alert in the capital on Wednesday morning. Bucharest and the surrounding Ilfov region were among the worst-hit areas, where heavy snowfall was expected to reach up to 50 centimeters. The National Meteorological Agency, ANM, issued a red weather forecast warning for heavy snowfall in Bucharest and the Ilfov region, effective until 8:20 a.m. Wednesday, stating that snow had accumulated 30 to 35 cm, as reported by Euronews Romania. Emergency teams carried out more than 100 interventions in the capital and Ilfov to remove fallen trees and loose construction elements, as well as damaged 40 vehicles.
अगाडि पनि जाम रहेछ नि पुरै हो त त्यही बसहरु टन्नै रहेछ हौ सबै ब्लकिङ भएर बसेछ ल माकरी यस्तै छ पारा 450 उतापट्टि लगेछ ल हामी चढ्ने बस त किन आएन भने त यताको बाटो ब्लक भइदियो नि त अनि हाइवेबाट छिरा उताबाट घुमाएर लान्ला होला हैन यस्तै छ हेट सारै यार जनजीवन चाहिँ सारै प्रभावित हुँदै रहेछ हिउँ परेर यहाँ त लास्ट बिजोक के
A second code orange severe weather warning will be in effect on Wednesday between 10 o'clock a.m. and 11 o'clock p.m. in the counties of Paralyzed, Ilomeda, Brela, Tulsia, and Constanta, where snowfall will occur and locally significant snow accumulations, generally 20 to 25 centimeters thick, equivalent to 20 to 25 liters of water per square meter. Winds will increase to 60 to 80 kilometers/, with temporary severe blizzard conditions, blowing snow, and visibility below 50 meters. According to meteorologists, a code yellow warning for blizzard conditions and snow cover will be in effect between 10 o'clock and 23 o'clock in southern Moldavia, southeastern Transylvania, northeastern Muntenia, and the southern Carpathians and the Arches, where visibility will be reduced to below 100 meters. Winds will increase to 50 to 70 kilometers/, and in high mountain areas, gusts will reach 70 to 90 kilometers/. At the same time, in the Mahadinti, Dolj, Olt, and Tellerman regions, winds will blow at 50 to 70 kilometers/.